In coppiced woodlands and thick hedgerows, mainly in the south and east of England, you can hear nightingales singing in spring. They may be plain brown birds, but what they lack in appearance they make up for in song. Despite their name, nightingales will sing during the day as well as at night. When they arrive in Britain from Africa, males find suitable territories and sing to attract a female. Our sound recordist, Chris Watson, set up a microphone before it was dark in an area where a nightingale had been heard singing. He ran a cable about 100 metres back to a car in which he waited. Just before midnight, a male began to sing, and then, 2 hours later, a second bird joined in. Rival males in adjacent territories will compete in a battle of sound, and this night serenade is what Chris heard.